What if you could drive an SUV that's sleek, smart, and sustainable, all without breaking the bank? The BYD Atto 3 2025 delivers on every front, redefining what it means to own an electric vehicle. From jaw-dropping design to groundbreaking technology, this SUV is more than just a ride, it's a revolution. Let's dive into the top 10 features that make the Atto 3 a standout. Number 1. Avant-garde exterior design. The BYD Atto 3 2025 is a head-turner in every sense. Its aerodynamic silhouette combines elegance with functionality, offering both beauty and efficiency. The bold front grille, flanked by sleek LED headlamps, exudes modernity, while its wide wheel arches and integrated spoiler at the rear add a sporty flair. Crafted with premium materials, the Atto 3 isn't just about looking good. It's built to last. Number 2. A luxury-focused interior. Step inside, and you're greeted by an interior that feels more like a luxury lounge than an SUV cabin. The centerpiece? A massive 12.8-inch rotating touchscreen that controls everything from navigation to entertainment. High-end materials like soft-touch plastics and leather accents elevate the experience, while features like electric seating, dual-zone climate control, and a panoramic sunroof ensure unmatched comfort. Perfect for road trips or daily commutes, this SUV makes every journey feel special. Number 3. Performance that packs a punch. Underneath its polished exterior lies an electric motor capable of 201 horsepower, delivering a thrilling driving experience. Accelerating from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 7.3 seconds, the Atto 3 doesn't just move, it flies. With 310 Newton-meters of torque, you'll feel the power as you tackle highways or winding roads. Its top speed of 160 kilometers per hour ensures it's ready for any adventure. Number 4. Impressive range and fast charging. With an 80 kilowatt-hour battery, the Atto 3 offers a range of over 420 kilometers on a single charge, making range anxiety a thing of the past. Quick charging technology ensures you're back on the road in no time. And let's talk about BYD's groundbreaking Blade battery. This lithium iron phosphate, LFP battery isn't just safer, it's more durable, environmentally friendly, and free from ethically questionable materials like cobalt. Number 5. Pocket-friendly elegance. Starting at $47,500, the Atto 3 strikes the perfect balance between affordability and luxury. For its price, you're getting a vehicle packed with advanced features, cutting-edge tech, and a design that rivals high-end models. It's a clear win for those seeking value without compromise. Number 6. Smart utility, a touch of intelligence. Practicality meets intelligence with features like robust 18-inch alloy wheels and dual-zone climate control. These touches enhance stability and comfort, making the Atto 3 equally suited for urban streets and rugged terrains. Its intelligent cockpit system also ensures a seamless connected experience. With 4G connectivity, voice-activated controls, and integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, staying connected has never been easier. It even includes Spotify and Here navigation for the ultimate convenience. Number 7. Drive and handling. The feel of control. With front-wheel drive and advanced engineering, the Atto 3 offers smooth handling even on challenging roads. Its responsive steering and stability ensure an engaging driving experience, whether you're navigating tight city corners or cruising on open highways. Number 8. Master every move with BYD Advanced Driver Assistance System. Safety takes center stage with the Atto 3. Equipped with an advanced driver assistance system, it offers features like intelligent cruise control, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping system, and blind spot detection. These systems work seamlessly to make your drive not just enjoyable, but secure. The rear cross-traffic brake even prevents collisions when reversing by monitoring approaching vehicles and applying brakes when necessary. Number 9. Cutting-edge e-Platform 3.0. BYD's e-Platform 3.0 brings unparalleled performance to the Atto 3. It enhances safety, improves range in low temperatures, and ensures a smarter driving experience. With this platform, the Atto 3 sets a new benchmark in EV technology. Number 10, seasoned performance with assurance. Backing all of this innovation is a comprehensive warranty, 6 years or 150,000 kilometers for the car, and 8 years or 160,000 kilometers for the battery. Add in low maintenance costs and annual service intervals, and you have an SUV that's as reliable as it is exciting. The BYD Atto 3 2025 isn't just an electric SUV, it's a statement. Combining cutting-edge technology, stunning design, and unmatched performance, it redefines what drivers can expect from an EV. If you're ready to embrace the future of driving, this is your ride. Now, before you go, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next video.